Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kraken for US trading, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Kraken website at www.kraken.com. Click on the sign up button located at the upper right corner of the homepage. Select the account type that suits you best, either individual or entity. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Check the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click the Sign Up button to proceed. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation email from Kraken. Click on the confirmation link in the email to activate your account. Return to the Kraken website and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, go to the Get Started section to begin the verification process. Select US as your country of residence. Provide your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Submit a government-issued ID for identity verification, such as a driver's license or passport. You may also need to upload a document that proves your residency, like a utility bill or bank statement. Complete any additional questions regarding your financial background and trading experience. Once you have submitted all required documents, wait for Kraken to process your verification. You will receive an email notification once your account is verified, which may take a few minutes to a few days. Log back into your account after receiving verification confirmation. Go to the funding section to deposit funds into your account. Choose a suitable funding method, such as bank transfer or credit/debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your deposit. Once your funds are available, navigate to the Trade section. Select the trading pair you wish to buy or sell. Enter the amount you want to trade and review the order details. Confirm your trade by clicking on the Buy or Sell button. That's it. You can now start trading on Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.